just kind of dual sported to the ditch. I'll play. Alright, so we are on the way to the Wally World. We're gonna get some paint. We're gonna go maintain our ditch. Man, I know, truck's dusty, it's been a while. I'm usually in the car. So we're about to come in here to Walmart. We're gonna get some high-vis paint, mark the death hole, and yeah, make it a little safer for us to, you know, stunt down there and everything. So wait just a minute before you strap that helmet on, because we got a little work to do first. You know what I'm saying? Bingo. Alright. Didn't even need any help. Walked right into it. Alright, let's see here. $7 a can, that's not too bad. Since it's the last can anyway, this looks really bright. I love model cars. Alright. I've never actually taken the truck or anything down. Well, no, you know what? I lied. I've taken my car down here. Showed next girlfriend where we ride and stuff, but yeah. There's one of the boys down there already. Woo, water. Little water burnout. I don't want to pick up the tires though. These are some good tires. But yeah, we're gonna weed eat all this stuff coming up through here. Blow it clean. We're gonna mark the death hole. Get rid of some of these, well, get rid of these damn rocks. I wish I had a battery powered grinder, because there's a piece of metal up here I'd like to. And that man traded a dirt bike for that thing. I don't care if it's got a lot of miles on it. He definitely upgraded for sure. But yeah, death hole. One of the big priorities we gotta get marked. It's been claiming a couple of the bikes lately, so we're gonna get it marked. Alright, there we go. Got it weeded, now we gotta blow this shit. Doing graffiti. That way we got some no more bended rims. This shit sucks. Yeah. Finished product. I think this is gonna be alright. I really do. I think our artwork is good there, buddy. Yep. Do it again. I love this place though. Excuse me, little buddy. I know. Sad, man. I just want to give them all little buddies homes. I guess we'll just kind of dual sport it to the ditch. Dang, dude, that shopping cart is destroyed. I don't think he's here anymore. Oh, looks like he moved on. It's a good thing. Man, that's crazy. He had wood to burn though. I'll give him that. Seems like he's a pretty resourceful guy. Somebody's been in there again. I do want to go play over there. But God, I bet it's super soft. Do a little bit of exploring real quick. I'm going nice and slow though, because I have never been over here. don't even know if there's any bikes out here. Oh my. Shoo! This place don't suck at all. Holy shnikes. Wow. Totally friggin' awesome. Alright. Gotta get some knobs. Alright, back to the ditch. Okay. I'll play. I'll play. Four-stroke single cylinder.
I still feel like he does.
Do a little flagatory. Alright, let me know when you're ready. Jixer for the win!
I saw you wheeling right next to me. I was like, oh hell yeah.
Dude, I seen you were right there still. I was like, no, I'm not getting out of it.
Dude, you had me on a wheelie. That's insane. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. I stopped and went to go turn the corner. Bro, what the fuck? You on the stand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit, you're back. Oh fuck.
Aww. Alright. See about getting ready to go. So yesterday we kind of dropped in on some of the youngsters that were just out there kind of hanging out in the ditch. I need to go take some of that oil. But anyway, we had a quick little good time. Thumper gas. And Mr. FZ Wheewie guy's threatening to come out. I'm assuming one or two of the other boys will. Some of the Wheewie guys. It seems to be a wintertime Sunday thing, so I guess I'll put that in the car and put some of that in that. So yeah, because I'm not trying to lift that. Where the hell is Mr. FZ Wheewie guy? Well, there's a couple of the boys. There he is. Hi, buddy. Ooh, nearly got it. So Mr. FC Wheewie guy up there has found a new spot apparently. I guess it was a little while back, I think a week or two ago, but he's gonna take us to it. Okay.
New Wheewie spot unlocked.
It's not a bad spot at all. That guy in that house, what's that kid? That guy in that house is perfectly fine with it. I don't know about any of these people.
Well, they're not even locals.
It's off the highway, on this side of the highway.
Oh yeah.
Down below.
He's not gonna do it.
But hey, he came right up the road and all three of y'all doing wheels down the road where he can see you, and I'm like,
time to do some wheewies. What can I do? Alright. They got cool cars, but I got cool Wheewies. Not every day you see those.
You alright?
Huh?
Does it need a push or anything?
Sorry guys,
Need a push or anything?
dinner order. No, winds is too loud. You can't. I did too. Miracle, I heard them hungry.
Yeah, have a good one.
I love the car. I love the car, but I gotta ask: is it a real one or is it a clone?
Well, it's a clone. A real one is $2 billion, $5 billion.
I don't care. I still love it. Y'all take care. All right. Cool ass dude. I really like this spot, but if we had to scram for you know, undisclosed reasons, there's, well, it's gonna be harder for you guys. I go wherever the fuck I want.
Excuse me? I will too.
I mean, it does identify as a YZF 450 at some time, so yeah, okay.
700.
Huh. Heck yeah, look at this guy.
This is where I've been missing out, huh?
Yes, sir. Hey, that's nice.
Thank you. You know what it is?
Custom?
Yeah. Honda Fury.
No shit.
Yeah, it's a Honda Fury with a kit on it. Fat tire kit.
Wow. Hey, Honda gang.
Yeah, I know this guy. He always gets the white sand.
Oh, dude, that thing is clean. I like it.
Now you got to see it.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Man.
Damn good looking dude, man. Let's get out of the way, man.
Let's stop.
What the heck is going on today? Like, we just seen that cool ass Cobra, then this cool guy comes rolling in.
Hey. Can we go to the ditch?
You want to?
Kinda.
Let me get my shit.
Yeah.
So here we are. We have returned where we originated. Doing wheewies in the ditch. Oh shit. All right, now how are you gonna get down from the bum castle?
I don't know. Hey, is there gonna be oil in the plug probably? Should I let it sit for a while? I think it's in here.
I don't know. You'd probably be all right. You just want to back down the hill?
I guess, yeah. Or I'll just go back that way.
Okay. May not have a choice.
Oh!
Oh shit! I'm sliding too.
Oh, yeah, I think I got it here.
All right.
Get on.
Oh, I'm helping you.
Alright, watch out. I'm gonna roll her down now.
All right.
Oh!
Watch it, watch it. Hold on. Let me get this thing out of here because you'll get nailed in that bitch for sure.
That's hard. What is SD30? Is that a tip sensor? I'm gonna let it sit and think about what just happened.
Hey, I'm gonna go check out this bum house.
Sheesh, man. More of it. You know, like, they don't have to trash this shit.
Hey, last time I was here, there was bums actively sleeping here, so I didn't get to stop to explore it.
Bro, like, I get it, you're homeless and down in your luck and whatever, but do you really have to leave trash everywhere like that?
Do you remember the last time we came here and there was dudes actively
Like, that's just crazy.
Oh yeah, that was with him. We were on KLX 140s walking through this desert.
Oh yeah?
We came across some dudes right here. But dude, this is crazy right here.
Damn, they be chilling down here. Man. What the deuce, bro?
Dude, this shit's so gross.
I know.
Oh! It's broken, you know what that means, right, Jack?
This is nuts, dude. Like, this must be a known spot, or these people were here for a while. But this is crazy, like.
Hey, I think this is the toilet.
Oh no. Is there a bunch of turds?
No, but there is a toilet.
That's not a toilet.
I know, but it might as well be. That's where I would shit. Dude, some quick adventuring, dude. See, none of like the super bike guys like doing this shit. Understandably, but dude, call Josh on Snap and tell him to get the fuck over here. I feel bad. It's kind of sad.
It really is, man. Cause like, could you imagine yourself living this way? You know, like, and then what brought him this, like, to this point?
Matt.
A lot of times, and then you got that good old fentanyl too. I don't know, but it's a golf brand. I do know that. This must be the living room.
Yes. Very nice, very good, very much.
Be safe though, for real.
Always, brother.
I almost got hit already.
Oh, tell me about it. I know. So we're gonna go ahead and call it good to go. We're gonna head back to the house. Dun, 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 dun. We'll see you later, Mr. FZ Wheewie guy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, throw them comments in there, please, man. It helps me so much. Because if you don't, my wee-wees will not continue to grow.
Professional riders on closed courses in Mexico. Do not try at home.